Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden, sharp cramp in your leg? So intense, it leaves you clutching your muscles in desperate need of relief? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Leg cramps are a common struggle for many seniors, turning peaceful nights and even simple daily activities into painful challenges. But what if I told you that the secret to preventing these cramps isn't found in expensive medication, but in the natural foods you eat every day? Today's video, we're diving into 8 powerful fruits that can help prevent leg cramps and keep your muscles strong, flexible, and pain-free. Backed by scientific research and real-world data, these fruits are nature's own remedy for restoring essential minerals, improving circulation, and rejuvenating your muscle health. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share some practical lifestyle tips that can further enhance your muscle strength. If you're ready to take control of your health and enjoy a future free of leg cramps, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's discover the fruits that will help you keep moving with confidence. Number 1. Pineapple, the natural muscle relaxer. Centuries ago, indigenous tribes in South America revered pineapple as the fruit of strength. Today, science confirms its muscle-relaxing power. Pineapple is packed with bromelain, a potent enzyme known to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. 2 key factors in preventing muscle cramps. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food indicates that bromelain can help ease muscle soreness and speed up recovery by breaking down inflammatory compounds. Moreover, pineapple is rich in potassium and magnesium, vital electrolytes that help regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms. Enjoy pineapple fresh for maximum nutrient retention, add it to your breakfast smoothies, or savor a few slices as a refreshing snack. For an extra boost, pair pineapple with coconut water, a natural electrolyte powerhouse, to enhance its anti-cramp effects. Number 2. Cantaloupe, the ultimate electrolyte booster. Cantaloupe has been celebrated since ancient times for its hydrating properties. With almost 90% water content, cantaloupe is one of nature's best sources of hydration, which is crucial for preventing leg cramps. Dehydration is a leading cause of muscle spasms, and cantaloupe helps replenish lost fluids while delivering a robust dose of potassium. According to studies published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, potassium is essential for balancing muscle contractions and maintaining steady energy levels. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe provides a significant portion of your daily potassium needs. Enjoy this fruit chilled on a hot day, blend it into a smoothie, or toss it into a fruit salad for a delicious natural remedy that supports muscle function and reduces cramping. Number 3. Kiwi, the magnesium powerhouse. Don't be fooled by its small size. Kiwi is a nutritional powerhouse that offers incredible benefits for muscle relaxation and overall leg health. A fascinating study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that higher magnesium intake is associated with significantly fewer muscle cramps. Kiwi delivers about 7% of your daily magnesium needs in just 1 fruit, making it an excellent way to help your muscles relax and prevent spasms. In addition to magnesium, kiwi is rich in potassium, which aids in balancing electrolytes and supporting proper muscle contractions. With its high vitamin C content, kiwi also reduces inflammation and improves blood flow, ensuring that your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Enjoy kiwi fresh, blend it into your favorite smoothie, or add it to yogurt. Its versatility makes it an ideal snack to ward off leg cramps and boost sleep quality. Number 4. Watermelon, the ultimate hydrator. Watermelon is the epitome of hydration. Composed of over 90% water, this refreshing fruit is a natural way to keep your muscles well hydrated and functioning optimally. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining muscle flexibility and preventing cramping. Research from the Journal of Applied Physiology confirms that even mild dehydration can increase the risk of muscle spasms. In addition to water, watermelon provides a healthy dose of potassium and magnesium, two minerals critical for muscle relaxation and efficient contraction. Enjoy watermelon fresh as a snack. Blend it into a cooling juice, or mix it with a squeeze of lime and mint for an extra burst of flavor and hydration. Pairing watermelon with coconut water can further enhance its electrolyte benefits, making it a powerful tool against leg cramps. Number 5. Cherries. The natural anti-inflammatory cherries, particularly tart cherries, are celebrated for their potent anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support muscle recovery. Studies published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports have demonstrated that tart cherry juice can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time after exercise. Cherries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect muscle tissue from damage. This reduction in inflammation can significantly lower the frequency and intensity of leg cramps, especially in seniors prone to muscle fatigue. Besides their anti-inflammatory benefits, cherries also provide potassium, which aids in regulating muscle contractions. Enjoy fresh cherries as a snack, blend them into a smoothie, or opt for a small glass of tart cherry juice before bedtime to promote relaxation and improved sleep quality. Number 6. Bananas, the king of potassium. Bananas are often the first fruit that comes to mind when thinking of muscle health, and for good reason. They are packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramps. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, low potassium levels are directly linked to an increased risk of muscle cramps and weakness. One medium banana provides roughly 10% of your daily potassium requirement, making it an easy and effective way to replenish this essential electrolyte. In addition, bananas contain magnesium and natural carbohydrates that offer a steady energy release, ensuring that your muscles have the fuel they need to stay active throughout the day. Whether eaten on their own, blended into a smoothie, or paired with a spoonful of almond butter, bananas are a delicious and convenient option to prevent leg cramps and promote overall muscle health. Number 7. Dates. The energy and electrolyte booster dates have been a staple of traditional diets in Middle Eastern cultures for centuries, and are renowned for their ability to sustain energy levels and replenish electrolytes. Rich in potassium and magnesium, dates help regulate muscle contractions and prevent painful cramps. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry has shown that the slow-digesting carbohydrates in dates provide a steady energy release, which is essential for maintaining muscle endurance and preventing fatigue. Dates also contain natural sugars that are absorbed slowly, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and avoid the sudden spikes and crashes that can lead to cramping. Enjoy dates as a natural, nutrient-dense snack. Eaten on their own, chopped into oatmeal, or blended into a smoothie, they offer a convenient way to boost your energy and keep your muscles strong. Number 8. Oranges. The vitamin C and hydration booster. Oranges are a well-known source of vitamin C and provide a refreshing boost of hydration, both of which are critical for muscle function and recovery. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain the structural integrity of muscles and connective tissues. Studies have shown that higher vitamin C intake is linked to a 15% improvement in muscle repair and a reduction in cramping. Additionally, the high water content of oranges helps keep your muscles hydrated, ensuring that they remain flexible and less prone to spasms. Enjoy oranges fresh as a juicy snack, or blend them into a fresh juice for a quick, natural way to boost your vitamin C levels and support optimal muscle function. Smart fruit eating tips for preventing leg cramps. While these 8 fruits provide a powerful, natural way to combat leg cramps, here are some expert tips to maximize their benefits. Rotate your fruits. Enjoy a variety of fruits throughout the week to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mind your portions. Although fruits are nutrient-dense, they still contain natural sugars. Stick to appropriate serving sizes, especially if you're managing blood sugar levels. Pair for balance. Combine fruits with a small amount of protein or healthy fat to slow the absorption of sugars. Think banana with almond butter or a kiwi with a handful of walnuts. Opt for fresh over processed. Whenever possible, choose fresh fruits rather than juices or dried versions that may contain added sugars and preservatives. Stay consistently hydrated. Water-rich fruits like watermelon and oranges not only provide vitamins, but also contribute to overall hydration, which is essential for muscle health. Timing matters. Try to incorporate these fruits into your daily routine consistently, whether as a morning snack, part of a balanced meal, or as a pre-bedtime treat, to help maintain stable energy and electrolyte levels throughout the day. By integrating these fruits into your diet and following these simple tips, you can naturally restore essential minerals, improve circulation, and keep your muscles strong and cramp-free. In summary, leg cramps and muscle weakness need not be an inevitable part of aging. Today, we've explored 8 powerful fruits: pineapple, cantaloupe, kiwi, watermelon, cherries, bananas, dates, and oranges that provide the essential vitamins and electrolytes needed to keep your muscles strong, flexible, and free from painful cramps. Scientific studies have shown that these fruits not only replenish vital nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, but also help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, which are key factors in preventing leg cramps. Remember, while the right fruits can work wonders, they are most effective when combined with other healthy habits, such as staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet, and practicing regular physical activity. Incorporate these fruits into your daily routine to naturally boost your muscle health and keep your legs energized. I encourage you to experiment with different fruit combinations, monitor how your body responds, and share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can make each day more comfortable, active, and vibrant. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future where your legs remain strong, healthy, and cramp-free.